Hello! This video will give you all the information you need to successfully operate your scanner. In case of any questions, there will be contact details in the end of the video. So we will start by showing you what's in the package that you received. This is how it looks like when the scanner is delivered to your home, and we will start unpacking the box. You will receive the scanner in a cardboard box. Once you open the cardboard box, the first thing you see is a small accessory box which contains cleaning material like wipes and a brush, a sample cup and a quick reference card with more information about the scanner. Now we take out the aluminium case. When we open the aluminium case, we can see it contains the scanner, a calibration cap, a charging cable and an adapter. When you receive the scanner, for the first time it needs to be charged for 18 hours and afterwards for 11 hours. So how do we charge the scanner? We put together this charging cable and then we connect the magnetic charging device with the port, just like this. What you can also do with the charging cable is to reset the scanner here on the side, like this. So now we start downloading the app. You go to the Google Play Store. To download it, you're required to have an Android telephone with the version 5.0 or higher than that. When you look up SoilCares in the Play Store, then you will find a wide selection of apps and you just choose the one suitable for your needs. When you open the app, you first will have to register and create a username and a password of your choice. Now with the charged scanner and the app on your phone, you're ready to turn on the scanner. This is done by pressing the scan button for about 3 seconds. When the scanner is turned on, 2 LED lights start blinking. The green scan LED and the yellow-green battery light blink for about 10 seconds to perform a system check of the device. The scanner connects to the phone via Bluetooth. Therefore, it is important to have Bluetooth connection activated on the phone. The scanner is ready to connect with your smartphone when the green battery light is continuously on and the blue Bluetooth light starts blinking. To connect the scanner with your phone, open the app and select in the bottom menu Account. There choose Device Settings to select your scanner, as you can see here. The device name you can find on the side of your scanner. It's indicated here. Great! With your phone connected to your scanner, you are now ready to scan soil. Learn how to do it in the next video.